Hey guys, working on a 2014 Mazda 6, and we need to replace our high beams. Low beam position, high beam position. I believe they're 9005, so let's get started. And push the tab in at the bottom, right here. Just push that tab in, turn it. Look at that, another big old titty. Holy smokes. And see the way we took it out, we're gonna put it in. Remember not to touch your fingers and not touch the bulb itself. The oil on your fingers can accelerate the burnout of the bulb. And then get the harness here. Get it underneath. Oh, my hand. Alright, and locked in. So if we come in here, right behind this ABS module is the high beam. Get my hand in here. I got relatively fat hands, so reach through here. Should still be able to reach it though. Pop it out, and she is out. Tough squeeze. Look at that thing. Has like a big titty in it. Never seen that before. This is our old one. This is our new one. Do your best not to actually touch the bulb with your fingers. And I'm gonna reach in through here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then locked in, and then little harness here, and we're good here. This is the passenger side. Without actually starting the car, just put it in the on position. You know you're in the on position, we see all those lights turn on. That's on right here, and then I'm gonna push it forward, and that blue light lets you know that your high beams are on. And high beam is on the driver's side. High beam is on the passenger side. We're all good to go here, you guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out. Bye.